Yonke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Icoach eKaizer Chiefs bafethu ebambile uCedric Keze seconfirmile ukuthi ama-player weKaizer Chiefs angeke adlale ku-next round le iKaizer Chiefs eya kuyo, because ama-player bese-expect ukuthi adlale uKhanyisa Mayo, u-Ighodaro, at least-ke noLebohang Maboy, because uLebohang Maboy unayo i-experience bafethu uya kuma-CAF competition, so kuthiwa angeke badlali labadlali laba. But uthe akanasho usazoconfirma nawo amagama akhe straight, uthi if akenzi iphutha noma uthe if akenzi iphutha uMayo ngeke aba available until ama-group stages. Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi uma engafikanga kuma-group stages, because kumele bawine le game le ezayo ukuthi ba-qualify for ama-group stages. Le game le izodlalwa between i-17 or to i-19 October, and then i-return leg izodlala the following week njengale. Niyabona bafethu ukuthi isheshile back to back weeks, so kula iKaizer Chiefs ekumele iwine khona ukuthi qualify for ama-group stages, and then ama-players wakhona wonke azoba available. U-Ighodaro bafethu okay, ziya-contradict-ke izinto azishilo, because uthe Ighodaro uzoba available after international break, and le CAF competition or CAF Confederations Cup izobuya immediately after i-CAF, after i-FIFA break la bafana kuzobonakala ukuthi uzoqualify for i-FIFA World Cup or ngeke. So around 17 or so lapho nje October kulazoqala khona ukudlala lama-games lawa, futhi la iKaizer Chiefs ekumele iwine khona. But asingeneni kule ndaba le, singayikhi phezulu bafethu, singeneni kuyo deep, siyi-understand kahle kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. I mean, indaba ezibaluleke kakhulu lesi regarding obviously i-CAF Confederations Cup la iKaizer Chiefs egijimisa khona ukuthi at least ifike kuma-group stages, and then-ke they will take things from there one game at the time. La sikhuluma ngama-player kawu-3 important noma ngaba important for iKaizer Chiefs. Abantu abaningi bakhale ngoMayo, but bafuna uMayo ku-next round. uMayo uyaqualify number 1 ukudlala ku-next round bafethu. Mina angazi ukuthi into yeKaizer Chiefs ukuthi izinto zabo bazenza kanjani. I mean, same thing lento lesiyibone kuMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns isayine iplayer ubani, uNuno Santos, wadlala 3 days later. AbeKaizer Chiefs bonke bayasayinwa, kuthatha isikhathi kusalungiswa amaphepha. Kusho ukuthi khona umuntu ongenza umsebenzi wakhe behind the scenes lapha kuKaizer Chiefs, or abantu abekho alert, like fast ba-acte quick. Ama-clearance angazi wonke amaplayer kuKaizer Chiefs amele ama-clearance, kwasha kwacima zonke lezi zinto lezi. Iplayer leMamelodi Sundowns abasayine ePortugal kube smooth, bavele bashesha benza izinto fast, but uKaizer Chiefs abenza umsebenzi wabo. Labana abantu abe-admin khona umuntu ongenza umsebenzi wakhe, bathi relaxed. Even ithi ngingangeni kule nto le ngoba abantu bazothi-ke manje sengikhipha iy'mfihlo zabo, ezinye ngeke bangitshele zona. Yeah, I mean, uMayo kungaba yi-player important for iKaizer Chiefs in terms of ukukora amagoli, because unayo i-pedigree yase-Africa ku-continental level. Uke wadlala, sikhumbule ukuthi bekadlalela i-CR, i-team yaleni North Africa, le engadlali kahle since uMayo lapha nengekho. So why important lama-player awu-3 bafethu? Sengike ngasho u-Ighodaro is a proven goal scorer yase-Nigeria. I-combination yakhe laphana ne-strength sakhe phambili angakwazi ngempela uku-add into esolid for iKaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi a-contribute kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs, akwazi ukubalethela ama-results a-important kakhulu overall. Ngoba i-midfield, ngoba i-striker bafethu lesi esikwazi ukukora ngekhanda ngo-left ngo-right, i-aggression yakhe ibaluleke kakhulu kuKaizer Chiefs overall. uLebohang Maboy bese ngikhulumile ngaye bafethu ukuthi vele i-midfield e-versatile, iyakwazi ukudlala central, number 8 iyakwazi ukudlala number 10, iyakwazi nokuba futhi i-wing. So uletha i-depth e-serious ne-experience ku-Afrika nakubafana kuma-international stages. That is why bamdinga, but unfortunately-ke abekho. I mean, maybe timing nama-rules waku-CAF overall asazi ukuthi what is stopping them ukuthi badlale, but maybe Ighodaro ukuthi abafuna ukumriska because of i-match fitness yakhe akakabi nayo, nanokuthi the intensity of the African game bafuna ukuthatha izinto step by step laphana. But-ke why bangadlali? Is it down to i-CAF registration rules, or is it i-club taking i-decision yokuthi bangabadlalisi? Because we are expecting ukuthi badlale labadlali laba baningi. I spoke to more than 30 fans, bonke bathi uMayo, because uSilva ngeke babeka amathemba wabo kuye, zonke nje lezo zinto lezo. So for iKaizer Chiefs, I mean, well, partly it's about timing, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi i-admin yeKaizer Chiefs khona umuntu ongenza umsebenzi wakhe. Ngeke usayine ama-player overall, but-ke kuthatha yonke into, ama-registration paperwork, yonke into iyadilaya, but kwamanye ama-team izinto ziba smooth nje same time. What's happening ngempela? Or i-strategy seKaizer Chiefs Ngoba ba-announce-ile ukuthi maningi ama-player abawarejistile bengicabanga ukuthi bazobala nalaba abanye but unfortunately-ke sobona ukuthi izinto zizokwenzakala kuzohamba kanjani because uMayo bamrejistile eligini, ama-player abawarejistile eligini kusho ukuthi inkinga i-CAF. So babekaphi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall kusho ukuthi on the continent uMayo akekho unless if izinto ziya-change ngoba naye uthe akekho sure. Igandaro akekho, they will miss him. Ubani uzoba but still they have i-striker laphana. Yeah, about Du Preez is not highly, won't be highly influential in terms of like getting the goals. Angi-understand, khona into engayi-understand, uDu Preez is not comfortable kwamanye ama-position but you see him switching positions. Umbona ku-wing, umbone ku-striker switche ku-wing, sokungathi bayaswitcha be-Kaizer Chiefs. Angazi ukuthi i-style sabo sokuthi bazodlala kanjalo nanokuthi babona ngathi leyo nto leyo iyabasebenzela. I don't see mina ibasebenzela leyo nto leyo cause I mean we've seen them switching positions but nothing is happening. No influence, zero influence overall. But yeah, asithembe ukuthi izinto zabo bazokwazi ukuzilungisa especially izinto zaku-admin side bafowethu. This is embarrassing for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bangakwazi bona ukulungisa iy'nto zabo laphana behind the scenes. They have to be able to sort everything out before like in few days ama-player afikile kumele bakwazi ukulungisa izinto laphana overall. But maybe-ke i-level of fitness. But what I don't understand-ke ngoMaboy, uMaboy ufit, ngiyambona ejimini njalo, ever present, contact gym, 11 versus 11 ukhona, is present. I thought by now uzobe ngempela laphana one of the front runners in terms of like contributing cause unayo i-experience njengoba bengishilo bafethu ku-continental stage. But-ke at the end of the day o-coach abadecidayo ukuthi benza kanjani ngoba benza umsebenzi wabo at the end of the day. Yibo abajimisa abafana, yibo ababona abafana everyday, yibo okumele ba-decide ukuthi bamisa izinto kanjani and what's working for the team, what's not gonna work for the team. Zonke nje lezo zinto lezi yibo ababheka overall nje izinto ukuthi ihamba kanjani nasethimini ukuthi zonke izinto qonde njengolayini. But I mean our fans will be disappointed to hear this ukuthi amanye ama-player awekho available. Mina I'm hoping for uMlingo ukuthi iy'nto zi-change njengoba no-coach ushilo wathi uzo-verifya but kubabalile bowu-3. At the same time uthe u-Igandaro uzobuya but yeah, sobona overall bafethu. Ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe bafethu, making sure ukuthi i-page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.